formations during the 18th and 19th centuries. Wealthy merchants and plantation owners funded the construction of grand buildings, including warehouses, docks, and civic structures such as town halls and churches. For example, the construction of Liverpool's Custom House and its expansive dock system was financed in part by revenues from Jamaican sugar. These facilities not only enhanced the city's trading capacity, but also symbolized the prosperity brought by colonial exploitation. Even public works projects, such as canals and roads, were funded with profits from the Caribbean trade. These infrastructure improvements facilitated the movement of goods and people within Britain, further integrating the domestic economy with its colonial empire. Funding Britain's colonial expansion. The wealth generated by Jamaican plantations also played a crucial role in financing Britain's colonial ventures in other parts of the world. Profits from sugar were used to fund military campaigns, such as the 7 Years' War, 1756 to 1763, which secured British control over India and parts of North America. Moreover, the same financial institutions that managed profits from Jamaican plantations also financed colonial enterprises in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Banks such as Barclays and Lloyds provided loans for plantation owners and merchants, while also underwriting investments in colonial projects abroad. The interconnectedness of these ventures highlights how the wealth extracted from Jamaica fueled Britain's global imperial ambitions.
The cost of exploitation. While Britain reaped immense benefit from the wealth generated by Jamaican plantations, the human and environmental costs of this exploitation were devastating. Enslaved Africans paid the ultimate price, enduring unimaginable suffering to produce the sugar that financed Britain's infrastructure and industrial growth. The environmental toll on Jamaica was so severe as plantation agriculture led to widespread deforestation, soil degradation, and economical imbalance. The benefits of this wealth were overwhelmingly concentrated in Britain, leaving Jamaica impoverished and underdeveloped. The infrastructure built with Jamaican profits, whether railroad, factories, or docks, was designed to enhance Britain's power and prosperity with very little consideration for the well-being of the island's people. Conclusion to Chapter 5. The wealth extracted from Jamaica's sugar plantation was instrumental in building Britain's infrastructure and advancing its industrial and colonial ambitions. From railroads and factories to maritime trade network, the profits of slavery and sugar production underpinned the development of Britain as a global superpower. However, this process came at an immense human cost, highlighting the deep inequities and moral failing of Britain's imperial system. The legacy of this exploitation continued to shape the relationship between Jamaica and Britain to this very day.